The school district is presenting its annual custodial summer workshop. We've got a wide array of things going on this week.
This is taking place of this.
We have trainings, we've got different vendors, we have ECS, we have risk management.
When you're out there cleaning and you need your shoes, please wear them.
The custodial staff around the district is so much needed and so much deserved. We all rely on them to keep our schools nice, fresh, and clean for the safety of our students and staff. So yes, it's very, very important.
No pad. Keep slinging out. Okay?
Anytime we get an opportunity to meet together as a group, that's something that we really cherish.
They'll pop it maybe 2 or 3 times, and then you won't have to tackle.
We're really happy that we're here, super thankful that everybody showed up today. As we love any chance we get a chance to spend time with our faculty members.
Your coordinator keeps coming back to you. It's not that they're trying to be harsh to you, it's because the federal government requires these to be 100% correct.
The past 3 days have been great.
We're going to make sure that you know how to use it.
I think it's important that we have these events for proper training.
You guys need to turn the water on when you're using the dispenser, okay? That's the most important thing.
Anytime you get first-hand product knowledge of something, that's just sets you apart.
So basically, you can see it's really tight. Places you are able to turn around.
We expect to have one of the top 10 cleanest school districts in the entire country. That's what we aspire to every single day. That's what we come to work for.